Yeah, well, just to give you a bit of history, we were actually part of Mumford and Sons.
It's quite a long story.
Yeah, we were best buds with them. Who do you think the Sons were, you know?
It started quite a while ago.
And people always ask me, well, you know, the Mumford and Sons, they've become so popular, they're so famous, and they've got so much money and...
On the 5th of January 2010.
Disco.
It got a bit messy in the end.
The 25th of February.
Records and labels, and I say, yeah, but have they got a heart? They probably have, but...
Yeah, so we're really inspired by lots of different things, different people, different bands, different types of music. Everything from your classic jazz of the 1930s to
Bruno Mars,
dubstep. My brother's a dubstep DJ, and he's really inspiring to me. The lyrics as well from that, it was really encouraging.
I mean, the great Baroque composer Handel, he's just an absolute awe-inspiring inspirator.
Yeah.
Oh, well, Albert here. What do you do, Albert?
It's Alex.
Oh, sorry.
Well, you know, people have got to pay the bills, you know, and we've had a few gigs, but it doesn't exactly bring home the bacon, if you get what I mean. So I've done a few acting jobs, not much. I mean, I was that tiger in Life of Pi. It's hard work beneath that black and orange fur coat, but Warwick Davis, eat your heart out. Sam?
Well, I'm actually a professional chef. I've worked in loads of top restaurants in Paris, Italy.
Doing something very interesting. He's here based in Brighton. He's actually working with the Autobots to help fight the Decepticons.
No!
With the Transformers. Future.
The future. Well, our future looks pretty bright, to be honest.
It does.
We've got a few gigs lined up.
Got one tonight?
I mean, yeah, we got one tonight. I mean, our last one, you know, we had about 3 people. So this next one, we're looking a bit more hopeful. Then 3 people were actually us. But excluding that, you know, it was a fairly good turnout.
3 more and that'll be 100% more.
Okay, so first off, play a C.
So that's a C, yeah?
No,
This is a C.
That.
No.
Oh no,
What do you mean? That.
C.
That.
C. No.
Your
C.
finger on there, bottom one. Yeah, that's it.
That doesn't sound right.
Nah, that's fine. That's good. What is that C?
Yeah,
Obviously,
definitely.
you know, Mumford and Sons. That's in the past. 488 days ago now, but who's counting? I mean,
Yeah.
oh
dear.
But I want to put that behind me
Yeah.
and get past that. But then I also want to beat Mumford and Sons in terms
definitely.
of popularity and stuff.
We
Because
can definitely do that.
So
I think
I would like to
we're
see us
better than
pass.
them. We were there beginning. You know, I say you have to leave. So they got too big, really.
But that's in the past. We don't fret over that now.
One of the things that makes it really hard to forget about the past and move on is the loss of Harry recently.
Harry was our old band member.
He left in some really sad, some
Really
really
conflict
unfortunate.
and tension there.
Really, he's dead.
He moved on. He's in a better place now.
I mean,
Yeah. just with the sound.
If we could win this,
It would-
it'd just be the
yeah.
best thing ever. It'd be such an
It would help just kind of.
it'd be such an uplifting time for all of us. Isn't that right?
I've never
Albert?
seen you guys cry before.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't show this bit, yeah? Sorry.